To use Copilot, you navigate to copilot.microsoft.com. If you're not signed in, you click sign in up here in the right corner. If you already have a Microsoft account, you can use that. We don't have one, so we will create one. So I'll say sign in with a personal account, and here I'll press the create one to create the account, and after that we'll log in. So please do so. I'll fast forward. Once that is done, you will see your name up here in the right corner. Then I can go down here to ask me anything. That is where we put our prompts. The prompts is simply just the input to Copilot. So for example, write an elevator pitch for my company, Jensen org, or any other company. You could give it literally any prompt you want. Now Copilot access the internet, and here it says that we are a dynamic organization that enable personalized learning experience. That's right. And we can also see a couple of sources. We could have been more specific, but this is sufficient for now. That's only our first prompt. To create a new topic, I simply just click new topic here. We can see that choose a conversation style. Right now it's balanced. We can also give it a creative approach or a precise approach. This is just how much freedom we want to give Copilot in its answers. I like creative, but be aware that sometimes it can get a little bit too creative in its answers. So let's try to create an image. Here I just say create an image of a snow leopard. And here I can choose to say 500 millimeters, f5.6. This is just photographic equipment. My image will get more realistic with this. If you want to know more about this, then there's a link to a LinkedIn group of Copilot that I created. Here we share these tips and tricks with each other. It's completely free to join. I think you should do so. So now our image is generating. This usually takes anywhere between 10 to 45 seconds, depending on what time of the day we are. So now we're here. We have a snow leopard. And if I want, I can choose either of them. I can, for example, take this one, and I can press download if I want it downloaded. We're not doing that for now. I'll close this. I also want to create a song, and that's really impressive, this. So let us take new topic. Then you go up to plugins, scroll a little bit down until you reach Suno, enable that, and now we can create personalized song. This is cool. Let me show you. So over here, you might want to refresh the conversation window just to be sure that we have enabled Suno. So here, for example, I can say create a jazz song with lyrics about a YouTuber named Anders who creates RPA and GPT tutorials like this. So a fairly simple prompt. Now Copilot will use Suno to create a song, and this is where the magic kicks in. So it will take a short while to create the song. We only have the lyrics now, but now Suno is working to create the actual song. Here we can see in a world filled with code and scripts, there's a YouTuber who's got the tricks, oh yeah. Anders, oh Anders, the master of RPA. He'll guide you through with each and every play, oh baby. I think this is so cool. I'll take on my headphones. So in a little while, when the song is ready, we'll see it up here. Then I can listen to it. And it usually takes, now it's here, so let's try to listen. I mean, this is really impressive. This sounds like real songs. You can use them in videos or everywhere you want. I've experimented a lot with them. Finally, there's also a sidebar you can use. So if you want to analyze web pages, you can go up here in the right corner, click this Copilot Sidebar. And now you can type in here. And what you want to do with this is that if you have a relevant web page here, you can ask questions to it. For example, I have a PDF on my desktop. This is 140 pages in German from the central bank. I don't understand a lot of it. I want to understand this, and here's where Copilot kicks in. So let me close it again. So what I will do is I can either right click, open with Microsoft Edge. So now I can ask questions to this PDF. I simply just go over here, and I might want to do a more precise response. Now I'm not too creative. I want to be sure that I have the right wordings here. So this could be summarize the current page in 5 easy to understand bullets. And now I want it to translate it in English. I do this, and Copilot will access the page. You can see it does it now. And usually you want to have web pages here, but I just wanted to show you that we can also do it with PDFs. So here it says that this is an economic report by the European Central Bank, ECB. It's saying that's weak growth and high inflation, unchanged interest rates, data-driven approach. This is very, very cool. Copilot is free, so I recommend you go use it. And I'll also want you to see this ChatGPT lesson with Excel, also an impressive video.